Hi guys, and welcome to another video. This is my very first practice with me. In this video I'm using the Uniball Signo pen to write uppercase and lowercase, to practice my uppercase and lowercase lettering. In this video I do go ahead and write the uppercase and lowercase per line, and then go back and darken in the downstrokes. So these types of videos are just going to be really me sitting down, like I pulled up a picture of Pinterest of different, because I'm trying to do different styles of lettering and different fonts, practice different fonts, and just writing. I turned the camera on and just writing I know the title was like practice with me and like for handlettering for beginners, but this is also my journey into becoming better in lettering, and that is definitely what I want to show you guys. I'm not an expert, I'm not anything like that. I'm definitely have letters that I love to write, and I have letters that I need to work on. That's why I like to work on the alphabet, as well as just doing some words. This video is sped up. I draw or write or hand letter extremely so do not think that you need to go this fast when hand lettering. I often take pauses because I'm trying to figure out the way that I want to write the letter. That's why I think it's easier for me to go straight through the line and just write it, and then come back and darken up the downstrokes as well. Also, I want to try using more than one pen and things like that. So the rotation of these videos will be at least twice a month, and then I'll be rotating my daily plan with me's, just to shake it up on my channel a little bit and give you guys the videos that you want to see and what I'm loving at the moment. I'm loving hand lettering. Hand lettering is so soothing. It's a type of craft that I've fallen in love with, just as in planning. When I'm released, like this week that I'm recording this video, I'm moving, so I just wanted to sit down and just practice lettering. Sometimes I can do it for hours, sometimes it's just one page. I try to do it every day. It doesn't happen every day, but I try to do it every day because I know that it is a craft that you perfect and things like that. But I also try to keep it light and fun. I don't try to keep it as a chore to do. Sometimes I do track it in my habit tracker with planning, just because I don't want to fall off of it. I want to, keep the momentum going and things like that, and getting better. My whole goal for this practice with me is my journey and how I'm becoming better. And I also want to letter more in my planner. I get more nervous lettering in my planner because I can't erase it, but I think that will give me a better way of how I'm improving and things like that. Also work with holding the pen differently and the way that I shade in. I'm just not as comfortable using brush pens, but maybe I will use brush pens or Corolla markers. I know a lot of people practice using Corolla markers. The only thing is that I write so big when I practice, and in my planner there's not enough space. And I know Clever Plan, she talks about that as well, as like the space difference between writing a label and writing in a box is different than when you practice. So you definitely want to practice that as well. Practice writing in your, when you get a chance to write in your planner, things like that. I mean, I can give you guys tips. I can answer questions during this time. This time is to really, you guys to either watch the video and draw and hand letter at the same time, or definitely give you guys inspiration on different. I definitely be trying out different fonts. I'll be trying out different pens, trying to use 2 pens and things like that. I want to start bringing in color as well, just exploring the world of hand lettering, getting deeper into the world of hand lettering, and I want to bring you guys along. And if you have any questions, any video suggestion ideas, anything you want me to letter. I do practice my name a lot because it is my name, but if you guys want a word that you just can't get, let me know and I'll practice with you guys. So yeah, I really love doing an alphabet, but I don't like the drills kind of thing. Like I like practicing words, but I noticed that if I'm not practicing that word, then I find difficulty writing another word. So I definitely want to do, this is more drills, and the next one may be more words. My favorite thing to do is just practice one word, because then I get used to it. This is also the first time I did uppercase and lowercase in the same page, because I'm definitely trying to. I just pulled up a Pinterest faux calligraphy, and yeah, I just did it the way that they did online. We'll try to. And then here, at the end, I do go back some and fill in the lines, because I think that's the biggest thing with the pen, is making sure that it flows together, that it looks as if it's one cohesive line and not just so janky. So yeah, if you guys enjoy this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and please let me know down below any other videos that you would like to see. All right guys, bye.